Well, today I am going to reveal a high RPM category of YouTube channel that is purely for USA audience. In this category, you are going to create videos with minimum time and effort but to work very in a smart way. This is a storytelling category, and look at this channel. It has uploaded 77 videos and is growing very fast. Its popular video is in million views, and other videos are also gaining more and more views. Owing to high RPM, which is around $5 to $7 in this niche, this channel is making long videos to earn maximum for just a single video. This is another channel that is making similar kind of videos in storytelling format. Look at its thumbnails. These are very easy to create and post over YouTube. Its popular video is also in million views. This is another famous channel that is narrating life lesson stories for its viewers. All its videos are performing very good continuously. All these channels are actually focusing on some injustice meted out to Black people of America in a story format, and they guide and advise the other people to behave well with Black community to spread morality and justice in the society. This theme attracts viewers and become a reason for more viewership. Look at this new channel. It has uploaded just 10 videos and fulfilled the criteria of YouTube monetization and will start printing money. If I go over the social blade and search the monthly income of one of the previous channel, I come to know that it is making thousands of dollars per month, and that is motivation for anyone to work on this niche. To be successful in this storytelling category, the thumbnail weightage is 10%. The script and its voiceover has weightage of 80%. However, editing part matters only for 10%. So the conclusion is script of the story and its voiceover is everything for the growth of this channel. And here in this tutorial video, I will teach you everything how to work on this niche. Before moving further, subscribe my channel and like this video.
So the first step is obviously script writing. For this niche, we have 4 options to create our script. The first step is to just copy the script of our competitors, rephrase or paraphrase it, and create a video over it. The second step is to analyze title topics of our competitors and ask ChatGPT to give such like titles for our videos. In this way, we can make videos on the similar trending topics that people like to watch. The third step is to take real stories from any authentic sources or websites and use them for our videos. And the fourth method is to create an imaginative story with our own language or English language. For this method, we have to create a summary of the story with our own mind using people interest, and then through this, we can generate a long story script. The first 2 methods are not recommended, as your competitors are also applying the same already in their videos. The third and fourth methods are recommended. However, in this video, I will use the fourth one to generate a long and uncompetitive video script to rank our story on YouTube. For making a summary for our script, we have to take the idea of the script firstly. For this, I have taken the screenshot of the main dashboard of this channel. After uploading this screenshot, I asked ChatGPT to analyze this channel and its title ideas and suggest me how this channel works on its script writing. This AI platform has given me a lot of suggestions and recommendations regarding script writing, voiceover, and editing style. Further, I will go over the channel again and take idea of titles and thumbnails to idealize my new script. In my imagination, I have created a fictional story wherein an old Black man is sitting in a park and some youngsters tease and annoy him owing to his Black race. And suddenly these boys come to know that this Black man is a prominent legend of boxing, and they mend their attitude and take ethical advice of humanity from him. This is a summary of our story I have created in few minutes. And now I'm going to make it in the form of a long story through ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, I firstly paste the summary of the story over here. Then I paste a prompt after the summary portion, wherein I ask this AI platform to generate a story script of 1,200 words that should be in simple language, engaging, interesting, and keep audience retention. Further, I ask it to create the script that tells something interesting and suspenseful that motivates viewers to watch the story completely. And here, it has generated a unique and long script for my YouTube video. For voiceover, 11lab website is the best option. Here we can use different realistic voices for our audio part. In this website, I will choose the voice of Bill that is awesome for such kind of videos. In the main area, I paste my script here and hit the generate button. After a few seconds, the voice is ready, and you can download it by simply clicking this below download button. Before moving ahead, I will first teach you how to create an attractive thumbnail for this category of YouTube channel. Firstly, I will create the prompts from ChatGPT for creation of image part for my thumbnail. Here on ChatGPT, I ask it to create an image prompt for my script, and I also paste some portion of the script as sample. A detailed prompt for image creation has been generated here. and the same I will paste over ideogram website. I am just add the keyword like create an image at the starting point, hit the generate button. After the wait of some seconds, various images have been generated by ideogram and I can use any one of them for my thumbnail. I will just save any one. Then I will go for Canva and paste here the same image. Adjust the image according to the timeline area of the thumbnail design. Then I will add some text over here to tell the viewers about some lines of my story. I will also do some coloring and resizing the text. Then I will add background shape over the text area through effects option of Canva. After doing all settings, the thumbnail is ready to be downloaded. For editing part, CapCut is one of the best options, and here I have imported the image, voiceover, and background music. In the main timeline area, I first drag down the image, extend the image as long as the video duration, then drag down the voiceover. Cut the image part and adjust it accordingly. Over the image, I will put some effects to make it movable and good looking. First, I will put rebound swing effects over the image and adjust its setting as per my choice. Then put snowstorm effects over the timeline area and do some little bit of setting. I will also use the fire effects to give it a serious look. In filters, clear filter is a good choice to make the view of the image more clearer. I will also insert auto caption of the text from the text option. As all the auto captions have been generated, now I will do some editing of text. And under the animation option, I will choose this text appearing style. Do some editing of bold and coloring of the text as well. Now is the time to drag down the background music, and I will decrease its volume as well to give appealing voice. Now the video is ready to be exported. For this, click over the export button. Now do watch the video, and if you have any query, ask me in the comment section.
It was a crisp autumn afternoon. The kind of day where the golden sunlight filters through the orange and red leaves, creating a magical atmosphere in the park. Among the laughter of children playing and the gentle rustle of leaves, an elderly black man sat on a wooden bench. His posture was upright, his gaze steady, and his demeanor calm, exuding an aura of quiet dignity. He wore a simple yet neatly pressed outfit and a vintage wristwatch that caught the occasional glint of sunlight. This man seemed to hold a lifetime of stories within him, but his peaceful solitude was soon interrupted. A group of teenage boys, their loud laughter carrying through the park, approached him. Their youthful energy and lack of restraint quickly turned into something less innocent as they began making mocking remarks. They teased him about his age, his appearance, and even his race, their jeers cutting through the tranquility of the moment. Yet, the old man didn't react, his composure unshaken, as if he had encountered such moments many times before. The boys, emboldened by his silence, pushed further, but little did they know they were about to uncover something that would change their perspective forever.